Hi, I'm Jeff Taylor with NCS, and in this video we will be covering the motor replacement on the RS1000. I've already removed all the air pressure from this brush, and now I'm going to strap down the brush for safety reasons. Next, I'm going to remove the motor J-box cover. All right, so we're going to unwire the motor using a 7mm nut driver and a Phillips screwdriver for the ground screw. All right, now we're going to loosen our Liquid-Tight. And now we can start with disassembly of the motor from the shaft. All right, so we're going to take the motor plate off, 6mm Allen. All right, next we're going to remove this center bolt that has a retainer cap. All right, now that we got the motor off, we're gonna use a 6mm Allen. We're gonna take these 3 bolts off to remove this bracket and place it on the new motor. All right, now that the safety strap is removed, you're ready to turn your air pressure back onto the brush, remove your lockout tag out, energize the motor, check the rotation, and that's how you replace the motor on an RS1000.